wait to wake up. Hey. All right. Oh, guys, you see, like, do you know that I never knew? Oh, sorry, bad manners, my bad. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I don't remember. But like, you see how like stickers and cartoons, they draw snowflakes. Do you know that I didn't know that they look like that in real life? They are so beautiful. Let me see if I can show you some. Oh. Who sent me? Is 59 million calories. 57 billion. Have you seen that video before? Or you pack bowl? The woman said she wants settlement. How much? 5 million billion. That's so much she's talking about. No, that is why I want to make your cake. When I make your cake, then I break my legs. So when will that go? When I go back to I'll bake the chocolate. Yesterday, but when did I go today? So there's nothing that can make you try this today. It's nice, but I won't buy banana bread again. That day I bought the chocolate cake mix. Guys, I just missed my bus. Oh. Happened. I'm supposed to close like 3 hours, 3 hours like from now, but it's snowing. Like, it's really this. I've never seen harsh snow like this ever since I've been in this country. It's snowing and everybody is staying in their house as it should be. So people are not coming to buy things and it's slow. And my manager's like, if I want to go home, I can go. I'm like, sure, I want to go home. So I'm going home right now, but then like I said yesterday, I'm moving, so I want to go mattress shopping because all the times that I've wanted to go, they close when I have not closed from work, so it's a good time for me to go. But my bus is a little delayed and there's an Under Armour shop close to where I work, so I'm going to pass inside and see. I promise in Jesus' name I'm not spending $1. In the first place. Wait, mini in the first place. So let's see what they have. Whew. All that is in my head right now is that, will there ever be a time where I'll not be concerned about prices? Because when I look at the price of something, all I can think of is the number of hours I have to work to get that money. Will there ever be will there ever be a time where like this will stop? It won't be today. Anyway, let me go. My bus I have to leave in like outside is white, it's cold. My bus will come soon, so let me go. If I miss it, that's it. The next bus, by the time I get it, they've closed. So let me get the hell out of here because I cannot afford anything else here with my license. Like even with my driver's license, I can't buy. Sucks. You too. Do you see what's happening? The snow is beating me. Oh my god. Need to go. Charlie, today dear, don't go there. It's snowing now, Kasa. Boy, anyway, I've reached where I was going to. It's outside Sudbury actually. Like it took me like 45 minutes to get here. I mean, if I was driving, it would have been faster. But that's it. I've reached. So let me go and see what they have. See if I can afford or if I like. Oops. Yes. Yeah. And so then I had to sell the mattress I bought. Because I didn't have anywhere to keep them. Right? Yeah. And then now I have to leave the campus residence again.
And now you need a mattress.
Exactly.
Well, you know what? You came to the right place.
Thank you. So I'm done with my mattress shopping. When I went, they don't have any queen size beds. And I want a queen size. Because I'm a queen. They only have double. And so they said they get mattresses often. So, I mean, I don't need it ASAP. I only came today because I had time. So I'll keep calling them till they confirm that they have a queen size bed, and then I'll have them send them over to me. But when I went, I saw some cute blouses which I bought. Maybe I'll show them to you when I get home. But that's it. So I'm done with my mattress shopping and I'm on my way home. And it's snowing. Hi guys. I need a moment to melt because what's happening outside there is crazy. Alexa, hey, she will not mind me. Alexa, hey, I've called you son, you will not mind me.
Not quite sure how to help you with that.
From school. I was going to ask you what the time was, but I won't do that again because you're rude. Anyway, so I'm home. Like I said, I'm melting. Like I needed a whole moment to melt. What am I going to do this evening? I want to show you when I went to the mattress people's place and they told me that I could have even checked my distance, but it's 5:10. It's not Alexa. Like suit yourself. Wait, I feel like my lips are dry. Once again, it's not on YouTube that I'll look like I'm not loud at home. So I'm going to show you when I went to the mattress people place. They said they don't have a mattress, but they were closed there, so I thrifted a few of them. And what did I do again? And then I'll be going to my new house to go and clean. Like I said yesterday, I couldn't go yesterday, so I'll go today. So let me show you the few things that I bought. They were very expensive. You know, let me show you everything, then I'll tell you the price. You compare it to the things at the Under Armour place. So it's curtains, right? I got two. It's like, it smells nice. Like the Thrifts, they're not bad though. They're not bad. I have a friend who has been telling me that since I got a job, I've stopped going to thrift store. It's not like I've stopped though. I don't have time to go because you literally get the best things in the thrift stores, and some of them they are like one and the dame. You understand? You don't find your twin in town, if that makes sense. So I got like curtains for my new house. $10. You will not find this at Under Armour. You will not find this Walmart in Puwunya, dollar store Puwunya, because they are very quality curtains. And my room is like just like this color, and the floors are a little wooden, and that so it will match well. I was talking to my friend Araba, so she helped me pick this particular one. I got this beautiful sweater. Look, guess the price: $1.50, single dollar and half of another dollar. Look, isn't it beautiful? That's another one. Then I got this dress. This one there, not now, or maybe in the house, or when I get a man and I'm going to see him, I'll wear this. $1.50. Look at this. Just look. $1.50. She say cleavage kakra. You understand? And I got this one too. Look. Just look. Look. $1.50. I got this one for working out. When I went to the Under Armour people, it was like $80 something. $1.50. Neat Thrift. And I got this offering sweatpants near the sweatpants. $1.50. And it was expensive small, but Araba said it's nice. So I bought it. She said if I wear it with jacket it will be nice. So I bought it. $3. Maybe also the $3. That's alright. Then when I went to the dollar store yesterday, these are the things I bought. When I came home, where I left it is where it has been. So I got what's this thing called? This. Then I bought small liquid soap. Then I bought all-purpose cleaner to clean. Then I bought Lysol. Then toothpaste. Yeah, that was everything I got from the dollar store yesterday. So I'm going to find something and eat like now, and then I will go call my other roommate who want to go with me, and then we'll go to my new house and drink. You to me put this say you better than the diagonal. Hey, I dare to. Hey. Oh, Danny, oh, Danny, that's just the opening. And then they move through. Why? Patient is a heightically challenged. Heightically challenged. It's over to her baby. That's another problem. Oh, that's and you may find in a muscle. It's in Cabana too. Then if I show the anyway, I'm never found it. What's so funny? No, the money you was all you. And oh, yeah, maybe I have on the small. And I'll pay her. Maybe we can swim. Maybe one hour. I've been our seven. Yeah, what happened? I mean, check height. Then I will pray. The seven papa. Space, okay, me space, I'll be forced to pack. I think we go in there. I won't me. Into the right now, okay. Will it be enough for you? Maybe so many things. Oh, yes. I don't know. Because maybe coffee back and remember that. Into wine. Okay. It's all be funny say. Sister, you funny say. Now what funny say? Here the garbage, whatever. And I had it. Okay, had it check. Dishwasher. And I was to my fast. And I hear 4 pepe. Now I draw one. Will be on for back. And you no. What for sure? I've been fast second. Just been fast third. Now don't worry about it. It's my way. Why me to us here? I mean, who's that? Who's that? Why okay? Nah, no. Several more packaging in your man. Oh, packaging. Hey, you say I'm fine. Tell me because I'm open. I'm for saying I'm in for her.